So basically we're looking at a quadratic formula we write as this: y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And this is something we call this standard form. And we also have another form that's called vertex form. And we know that if we graph the function, quadratic function, we'll get either like here or go like that. And we also have this graph is symmetrical along okay. And this point, in this case, the highest point is called vertex. And here, in this case, the lowest point is vertex. Now, if we have a vertical line go through this vertex point, and that line is the axis of symmetry. That means the left half and the right half are, if you fold it, they will match on each other. So, or you can think this as a mirror, and we'll have mirror image. One side is a mirror image of another. So that's basically the basic properties of quadratic function. This graph is called parabola. And to find the vertex point, then we had the formula, which is vertex formula, h is equal to minus b over 2a, and k is 4ac minus b squared over 4a. So that's a formula, vertex formula. And we also have a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So that's when we're looking at if a function, this function, let's say we have a xy here. This is our y-axis. This is x-axis. And the y-axis, these 2 points, we can, using the quadratic formula to find it, actually to calculate it. And that is equal to x equal to, sometimes you see the right as x1 and comma 2, because normally we got 2 x value. You can see that there's 2 x intercept. One's here, one's there. So we got minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So if we know the standard form, we can figure out its vertex point. We can also figure out the x-intercept point. Now, y-intercept point is pretty easy. It's when x equals 0. So c is our y-intercept. Find the x-intercept, then we need to have the quadratic form. So when we learning about quadratic function, we actually have 2 forms, standard form and vertex form. We also have 2 formulas. One is the vertex formula, the other is quadratic formula. And with that, we pretty much can graph the function. So for example, if you have a function like this, y equals to, say, x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now, we know that if we want to graph it, this is x, this is y. Now we need to figure out the vertex point. Vertex point, we know h is minus b over 2a. So in that case, our b is 2, our a is 1. So therefore we got -1. And our k is 4ac. So 4, a is 1, c is -1, minus b squared, which is 2 squared, and over 4a is 1. So we got -4 minus 4 over 4, which is -8 over 4. That gives us -2. So we have this -1, -2. Well, where's -1? -1 is here. -2 is here. So that's our vertex point. Now, we want to know, is that concave up or concave down? Now we can see that what's in front of that is the A is 1, which is positive, so it's concave up. And if you don't, not quite sure, you can always just plug in another point. So this is basically, if you want to write it out, this is our xy. We know when x is -1, y is -2. Well, we can also put in x is 0. X is 0, y is -1, right? 0, 0, -1. So that means it's here. And you can see that this has to be going like that, or like that. Well, now, what is these 2 points? We need to know then is we're going to use quadratic formula. So we got x equal to -2 plus minus b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4ac, 4 is here, is 1, c is -1. We got over 2a. So what we got here is -2 plus minus and 4, negative, negative, positive, 4 and 2, and we got -2 plus minus 8 over 2. Now, square root of 8 is equal to 4 times 2, right? That square root 4 times square root 2, so which is 2 squared 2. So what we got here is -2 plus minus 2 square root 2 over 2. Then we got -1 plus minus square root 2. So one is a little bit here, another one is about square root 2 is 1.4 something. Yeah, so it's about -1, -2, and close to half. So we got this. So that way we can just simply graph that. Good. Okay, very good. So now I'd like to try something. I give you a function and you'll find the vertex point and also the x intercept. So we got y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. So let's see what you remember. Our formula h is -2 b over 2a. Our k is 4ac minus b squared and 4a. And our intercept x intercept is also called the roots of the function, for that roots. Sometimes it's called zeros of the function, means the same thing. And you can see that b squared minus 4ac is basically this one, but right in the other way, and over 2a. Okay, let's see what you got.
So are we supposed to find the x and the y?
We find the h and k, and also find the x-intercept point. So basically, you have to use 2 formulas: the quadratic vertex formula and quadratic formula.
H equals. So wait, x. So A equals X. All right. Okay. Let me do this. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot how to do this already.
Well,
I
plug in the number. You know what A is, what B is, what C is.
A is, well, how do I solve for A is X, right?
No, A is not. A is the coefficient.
Oh, one, yeah.
So A is 1, B is
B
2,
is 2, C is 3, yeah.
C is -3.
I'm
Good.
sorry, I'm dumb. All right.
Yeah. So basically our template is this: y equals x plus bx
H equals
and
2
plus c.
over
So we just use
X
that
minus
to
1.
figure out what is A, what is B, what is C.
K equals 4 items. 4 times 4, that'd be 4. And 4 times 3, that'd be -12. And where is war stone? Or that would be over.
So I figured out H and K, but I forget how to do the next step.
Once you find the H and K, you're basically using the quadratic formula to find the x intercept point, which we also call that the roots or the using.
Yeah, I didn't write that down in time. So yeah, sorry.
Yeah, look at this is a quadratic formula.
Okay. So wait, how am I supposed? How do I write out X? Is there like, there's not a pi, or sorry, there's not a square root symbol on my keyboard.
You should be able to work it out. You should be able to do the take the square root.
I thought, I'm so confused. Okay. Did I get H and K correct though?
H, no.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, that's
Make
-1.
sure that
It'd be, yeah, -1. Sorry.
mhm.
But K was correct, right?
K is not correct either.
All right. Yeah. 12 minus, that'd be -2 squared. That'd be, okay. That'd be -4. So -4 plus 12, that'd be -16. Okay, I see what I did wrong.
Okay, very good.
-16 minus over 4. There we go. Is that correct?
Very good.
All
Yeah.
right.
And so you can simplify on your K. So anything divided by 1, it just is solved.
Okay. Okay, how to solve it? Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how to solve for X. I'm gonna be honest.
For which one?
How to solve for X?
Yeah, just plug in the number. You can see that minus B. B is 2, then square
Yes, so
plus minus B squared.
okay.
So you got -2 plus minus B squared is 2 squared. minus 4ac. We know a is 1, but c is -3 over 2 and 1. Good?
Oh, so what I just write that as a fraction to solve the equation on the top and bottom?
Yep.
Or do I thought I had to like, okay. Okay,
Mhm.
so x could be two different things. I see. Oh, we worked on this a while ago, didn't we?
Yep.
Okay. -2 minus. So just a question, would I solve everything inside
Square root.
the square root first and then next subtract or add -2?
Right.
Okay, that's what I thought. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that'd be 0. That would be -3. So -1. Round up 3. Be all right. I think I figured it out. I may have solved it incorrectly.
Good job, Tammy. All right, so let's see how we got this. Okay. We know what A and B and C is. That's the first thing we do. So therefore, H is equal to negative B over 2A. And we know our B is 2, our A is 1. So we got -2 over 2, give us -1. So that's our H. Our H is -1. Then we're going looking for the K. K, if we're using the formula, the K is 4AC. Our A is 1. C is -3 minus B squared. B squared will be 2 squared and 4A, which is 1. So that give us -12 minus 4 over 4. That give us -16 over 4, give us -4. So that's where our K is. Okay, are we good on the H and K? Good. Yeah, Jet, you good?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, make sure on how the mistake you made, okay? So that's basically how that's what learning is about, is to know where we did it wrong. So Q1 -4, that's our that. And to do this one, we have that already. So it's -2 plus minus, and this is a 4 squared. Sorry, 2 squared is 4. And 4 times negative, negative, positive. 4 times 3 is 12. And we got bottom is 2. So that gave us -2 plus minus square root of 16. We got 2. So that gave us negative plus minus 4 over 2. So what we got here is -2, -4 over 2, -6 over 2, so it's -3. That's one. Another one is -2 plus 4 over 2. That is 2 over 2. That's 1. So therefore, we got 2 intercept. We can write as -3, 0, and also 1, 0. So that's where those 2 points will be.
I see what I did wrong.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, are we good on this one? Yeah, if you're good, give me thumbs up. All right. Jay, are you good? Okay. So now let's try another one. We still have this, but we're going to change that a little bit. X squared minus 3x plus 10. No, minus 10. Make sure that. Minus 10. Okay, let's see what we got.
I gonna take a guess that that's correct.
Yeah, you got H right. Not
Let me
H.
try and figure out what I did wrong.
Yeah.
4 times 1, that'd be 4. And 4 times C. That would be -40. Right?
Mm-hmm.
40 minus -9. Wait, would that be -49?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I messed up. There we go.
Yeah, good job, Elsa.
Okay, I have a question about K.
Yeah.
So I got to the point where it's K equals, basically I wrote the equation out and then I simplified it to -40 minus -9 over 4 times 1,
Mhm.
which should
Yep.
equal,
4 times
why doesn't it equal
minus
-31
1,
over
right? So that'd be 4, and 4
Uh,
times -4, that'd be negative
negative
40.
40 minus -9,
14.
negatives equals a positive, so -40 plus 9.
No,
And
no, because this is a minus b squared.
-3
B squared is negative
That would
3
be
squared. Any negative
9.
square give you positive.
-49.
So what got there
That would be
is negative 3 squared, right?
Mm-hmm.
But negative 3
47
squared is positive 9. So you
Oh,
actually got
sorry.
over 2 times
negative
1,
40
that'd be
minus
2.
9 over 4 is over 4. So you got negative 49 over 4. Get?
That makes sense. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
52. What about now?
Yeah, the XY is not right. The
Okay,
x-intercept is not right.
I see. All right. Let me lock in. Right. It's my pen. All right. So negative, that would be positive, right? 3. All right. B squared. 4 times A, which is 1, that would be 4. So B squared minus 4 times 1. That'd be negative 10. So 4 times 1, that'd be 4. B squared. What times 1? That'd be 4. Wait, I'm not stupid. Wait, a negative 4 times positive 1, that's still that's, wait a second. That's a negative 4, right?
Well, let's see. X, we know our A is 1, B is negative 3, C is negative 10. We got minus B, B is negative 3, so we have that. Then we got B squared, which is negative 3 squared. Yeah, minus 4.
Oh, yeah, that's where I messed up.
1 times negative 10. Then
Yeah, I forgot where I messed up.
2 and 1. Okay. So
Yeah,
this is 3.
negative 4 times 1 is 4. I just did negative 4. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. All right.
Okay, so negative 3 squared is 9. Then negative and negative positive, so that's 40. And we got 2. So what we got here is 3 plus minus 49 over 2. Now,
Negative 14. Okay.
what's the square root of 49?
7.
Yeah, so that'll be 3 plus minus 7 over 2. So we got two
Yep.
solutions. One is 3 plus 7 over 2. That's 10 over 2. That's 5. Another one
Oh,
is
so
3 minus 7 over 2, which is negative 4 over 2. That gives us negative 2. So we got 5 and negative 2 for our x. Good?
so close yet so far.
Okay.
I filled out the entire thing. The first 3 is I filled it out as a 2. I don't know why, so that's why my answer is correct.
Okay,
Correct.
okay, are we all good? Yeah. So. And we're going to looking at another one. We have that. Now we do okay, x plus 2x minus 8. And so we got about
I didn't see that you put in a new equation. Right. -2. Is equal to 4 times 1, that'd be 4.
good job. Good job, Tammy.
That'd be square -2 squared. That'd be -4. It's -4 minus. That'd be, okay, so that would be 28 over 4 x is equal to that'd be -2. So 4 times 1, that's 4, and 4 times -4 times 1, that'd be 4 times -8 times the. Wait, is Kate just not correct, or do I just need to simplify?
It's just not correct.
I see.
Okay, make sure we got the
Times 1.
the sign correct. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good job, Tammy.
4 times negative. Okay.
I really lost as to how I went wrong on K. So
Yeah,
That
so
would be -32.
minus b over 2a at minus 2 and 2 times 1. So that's -2 over 2. So it's -1. And k 4ac 4 times 1 and c is -8. Then minus 2 squared and see what you got. 4 times 1 and see how you got that. Yeah, make sure, Usher, you just need to simplify that.
Yep, I just need to get the x's correct.
Okay.
All right. Negative b. Negative. That'd be -2.
Well, let's say the k you got is 4 times 1 times -8 is -32, then minus 4 over 4.
That'd be 4.
That give us -36 over 4. Well, 36 divided by 4 is 9, and -36 give us -9. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah, I was solving it.
our vertex will be -1, -9. Okay, now we just need to figure out what has x and y. Jade, are you okay? You understand why you got wrong on k?
What times 1, that'd be 4 times -8.
Not
That would be-
really.
Okay, try to do that. K is what? 4ac,
Okay. Which was -8?
1
Oh,
is
fuck, that'd
8
be -32.
minus 2 squared over 4.
All right.
1. What you got?
B, that would be 2 squared.
Give
So
32
2 squared.
minus
Okay.
4. Jade, are we good here?
Yes.
Which is -36 over 4, which is what?
Yeah, that's where I went wrong.
Yeah, that's negative.
Yeah.
Good.
That would be 9. Yeah, so that'd be -36. Okay. No, I
Yep.
see. Thanks.
No problem. Yeah. Okay, now just figure out our x. So we know 4 minus b is -2 plus minus, we got b squared.
Oh, yeah, I see how I
Minus
messed up.
4ac, b squared is basically 2 squared. We do that. Minus 4ac, our a is 1, our c is -8,
That's 4.
and over 2 and over 1. So that's what we had. And see what you got. Yeah, notice that this is negative, negative, so we got positive. Yeah, make sure you got the sign right, okay? We got -2 plus minus, and what's in here is 4 minus negative negative positive 4 times 8 32. Let me go 2, so that give us -2 plus minus 36 over 2. Now square root of 36 is 6, so we got -2 plus minus 6 over 2. So we got two options. One is -2 minus 6 over 2. That's -8 over 2, give us -4. And the other one is -2 plus 6 over 2. That's 4 over 2, and that gives us 2. Very good, Elsa. Sure, we're good.
Yeah, sorry. We're good. I understand.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's try couple more on this one. So I'm going to do a little bit different now. We got y is 2x squared minus 3x and
H equal -3.
1.
Times that'd be 1.
Yeah, make sure, Usher, make sure the sign, okay?
What
Make
what
sure,
did I do?
make sure the sign is correct.
Yes, sir. I see what I did wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So there should be good. Is that correct now? H and K should be good.
K is not.
I see. All right.
H is correct.
4 times 2, that'd be 8. 8 times C, that would be 8 minus what? L2-6. So that would be plus that'd be -6, right? So that'd be 2. And what is that? Can you show me where I messed up on K, because I'm pretty sure I'm confused if I got it wrong.
Well, the K is 4AC, our A is 2, our C
Yep.
is 1, then minus B squared, our B is -3 squared, and over 4,
Mm-hmm.
that is 4 times 2. So the top is 8 minus 9, right? 4 times 2 is 8, then minus 9.
Yep.
And over 8, so it should be -1/8.
I see where I messed up.
Yeah, good job.
Stupid. I'm actually stupid. All right. I'm sorry about that. I
No,
made the
that's okay.
stupidest mistake in the world.
That's all right.
Okay.
That's why we're here. Just do the exercise. So that's where we'll get good with that.
There.
Very,
Yeah,
yep.
for some reason I multiplied -3 times 2 instead of squaring it, so I got
Yeah.
so I got +6. So I'm sorry. Yeah.
Good job.
Okay.
Tammy. Yeah, and also make sure 8 minus 9, so it's a -1/8. Good.
Yep.
Then we just need to figure out what is our x
So that would be -9 minus
minus -3. plus minus -3 squared minus 4 and 2 and 1, right? And 2 times 2 and see what you got.
All right. So 4 times 2. -4 times 2.
Yeah, Jay, just go back to the work and check where it got wrong.
Okay.
Be -8. -8 times 1, that'd be -8. -8 minus -9, that would be -1 over 2 times 2, that would be 4. And what is that?
I'm confused about how to continue
That'd be
with
3 plus.
Sorry, Elsa, is that?
Yeah, I'm down to when we're figuring out the square root is. I'm not sure exactly what to do.
What we can see here is that this is 3. What's inside is 9 minus 8, right?
Mhm.
Good. -3 squared is 9. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Then 2 times 2 on the bottom is 4. So that's 3 plus minus square root 1. And now square root of 1 just 1. So that basically we got 3 plus minus 1 over 4. And that gave us either 3 plus 1 divided by 4, which is 4 over 4 equal to 1. Or we got 3 minus 2 minus 1 over
Oh,
4, which
yeah,
is
I miswrote mine.
4. So it's half. So we got half and 1. So good.
Thank you.
I see what I did wrong.
I wasn't sure if the square root of 1 was 1, if people would consider that, so.
Which one?
I wasn't sure if, like, scientifically, or, like, mathematically. Wasn't sure if the square root of 1 was considered 1. I thought it was, but I wasn't positive.
Okay.
That's where I was confused.
I thought that the square root of 1 was equal to I.
No, it's an active one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well.
Square root of the 1 is just 1. Good.
Well, that hung me up. Okay. Yes, and now. Okay.
All right.
Over 2 or 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go just one last one, okay?
All right.
And this time we're going to make that a bit interesting. So that will be
Hopefully I don't make any more silly mistakes.
that's all right. It's as long as we see where we made that problem, we'll be okay.
All right, equal to -5
Okay.
over 6. Be 12 times 2, that would be 24 minus 5 squared. 24 minus 25. That'd be -1 over
After
3.
Yeah. Good job, Asher.
All right. So 4 times 3, -4 times 3.
Hey, Asher.
Yeah.
Did you
What?
speak you mind going on mute? I can't concentrate. Thank you.
Good job, Tammy. Yeah, good job, Elsa. Yeah, make sure that
Oh,
the double check on your calculation.
plus one, that would be. So, which did I get the first or both
Just
X
for,
solutions wrong?
you got the vertex point right. Yeah, good
Okay.
job, Tammy.
So wait, did I get X right though?
No, not X. You got vertex right, but not X.
Okay.
You got one of them right.
I'm confused. I don't know what I did wrong.
Just check on the calculation and see.
Well, I don't. I tried doing that all in my head, so I don't know where my pen went. So I
Oh,
didn't even write it down.
you need to write it down. Get a piece of paper and write it down.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing the whole time.
Uh,
That's why I'm confusing negatives,
right,
like getting the marks wrong.
right.
All right.
Yeah. Well, make sure we got when we're doing this, we got X equal to minus B. We know B is 3, B is 5, C is 2. So minus B will be minus 5. Right, yeah, plus minus. Then we got B squared. B is 5, so 5 squared. Minus 4AC, our A is 3, C is 2. Then over 2A, which is 3. So we got negative 5 plus minus. This we got 25 minus 24. We got 6. So it's negative 5 plus minus square root 1. And we know square root 1 just 1. So we got minus 5 plus minus 1 over 6. So this where we got to be careful because we could have 1. So the x1 x1 is negative 5 minus 1 over 6. So that's negative 6 over 6 is negative 1. Then the second x-intercept is negative 5 plus 1 over 6. That's negative 4 over 6. which is negative 2/3. So that's how we got this 2. Good,
I see what I did wrong. I was
Very
able to
good.
figure it out.
very good, Usher,
Yep.
good job. All right, so good job. That's all we have for today, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, make sure you got the homework down, okay? If you need help on that, just let me know, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, all right,
Bye. Thank you.
bye.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too, bye.